Open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administration. Copy the text that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click white frame, select Edit and then paste. Press Enter. Now type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and click on Setting. In Search, type Storage. Open Storage Setting. Click on Change where new content is saved. Then change New Apps will save to from C to the drive you want. Then press Apply. Now your problem should be fixed.